Hey everyone, this is Mickey. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make matcha cinnamon roll mug cake. So first, I put all the ingredients in a mug and I mixed it well. And afterwards, I set it aside. Then, I made the cinnamon swirl on top. Basically, it's made of brown sugar, ground cinnamon, and butter, and then I microwaved it for 20 seconds. Then, I poured it on top of the other mixture. And then all together I microwaved it for 60 seconds. Then I let it cool completely before putting a little bit of royal icing on top. The only thing I would recommend is to use a smaller mug or double this recipe. That way the mug cake actually reaches the top of the mug. The list of ingredients is in the video description. So what kind of matcha desserts would you like to see me make? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.